Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on cloud backup with Backblaze easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin saving on cloud backup with Backblaze, visit the Backblaze website. Click on the Personal tab to explore individual backup plans. Select the download button to install the Backblaze software on your computer. Once the download is complete, open the installation file to start the setup process. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the application. After installation, launch Backblaze from your desktop or applications folder. You will be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. If you're new, fill in your email address and create a strong password. Once logged in, you will see the main interface of the Backblaze application. By default, the software selects files and folders to backup automatically. Review the selected items and customize the backup settings if necessary. You can choose to exclude specific files or folders to save on storage costs. For a more tailored backup, click on the Settings tab. Here, you can set bandwidth limits and schedule backups to run at specific times. Adjust these settings to align with your personal or business needs. Next, ensure that your backup is set to run continuously for real-time protection. Click on the Backup Now button to initiate your first backup. Monitor the progress in the application to verify that files are being uploaded. Once the initial backup completes, you will receive a notification within the app. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication on your account. Regularly check the Backblaze interface to ensure your files remain backed up. In the event of data loss, recover files easily by logging into your Backblaze account. Select the files you wish to restore and choose your preferred delivery method. With these steps, you can efficiently save on cloud backup with Backblaze. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.